Hi everyone, Pam here from Creative Homescaping. Welcome back to my channel. And if you're new here, I post several videos a week on how to creatively manage and decorate your home. So why don't you consider subscribing? In today's video, I'm going to be sharing more of my master bedroom remodel. This time, I'm going to be showing you some of the scenes from work in progress when we were laying flooring, refinishing the closets, interiors, putting up cedar in the closets, putting up closet organizers, that sort of thing. So if you'd like to see that, then stay tuned. So if you didn't see my before video, here's a look at what the vision board looks like for this project. Now the first thing we needed to do was a demo, so we rented this dumpster to put all of our debris in, the carpeting and the old closet organizers. And then here's a look at the demo of my closet while we were in process, after we had everything torn apart. And here's a look at my husband's closet with the organizers torn apart. We wanted to do all of the messy work before we ripped up the carpet, so we also went ahead and scraped the ceiling in my closet, which you'll see in a second here, as well as running that cable through the inside of the wall rather than on the outside, and then patching and retexturing everything. And in this shot you can see we actually have ripped up the carpet as well as taken off the baseboards. And then in the next shot you'll see my husband mixing up the texturing. As you can see, we've textured all the walls and the ceiling. That's my attic access space. That's where the light goes. This wall, this back wall is where we're going to put the cedar. So we haven't textured that at all. And here's a look at what the closet looks like, freshly painted. If you'd like to see a process video for how I sanded and repainted the door frames, I did a separate video on that. And then in a couple seconds I will show you what the new access panel to the attic looks like. The board was falling apart as well as the trim, so we did need to replace that. Once we were done with the painting and demo work, then it was time to move on to the flooring. Here's a look at all the equipment we were going to use in that part of the project, and as you can see, we've ripped up the carpet in this area as well. So in the next few shots, I'm just going to show you what the room looked like while we were in the process of laying the flooring. It was very hot when we were doing this, so we had the air conditioning on as well as fans going, and you'll hear in the next live shot the sound of the air compressor going, so it was quite noisy. Here's a look at what we did at the threshold to the room. We put a piece perpendicular to the way the rest of the flooring would go, since we were going to be putting new flooring up against old flooring. And now here's a few sneak peeks at what the flooring inside the closet looked like with the new baseboards. And then also you'll see how we put the flooring up against the tile in the bathroom. Here's a sneak peek at the cedar. This was in my husband's closet. There's this little bump out in his closet, so we had to put an extra ledger type board in the closet to hang the closet organizers off of, and we used a piece of redwood since we couldn't find cedar. And then here's a look at what it looks like as we were putting up the racking system for the closet organizers. If you've never put up the Elfa system, which is from the Container Store, it's very easy. You just put up the horizontal cross piece at the top, and then you hang these standards off of that, and then you just assemble everything. And I did all of that part myself while my husband was working on something else. And then this is my closet, and we're just marking here where there are some studs and also some conduit to make sure we don't put anything in that area. That's what the blue tape was for.
Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed seeing the work in progress that we did on our master bedroom. And I hope you'll come back for the final episode in this series, which is the reveal. And if you're looking for more remodeling inspiration, I will link some of my other projects in the iCards above so that you can take a look at those as well. We recently also redid our bonus room, and I've also had some series on some other remodeling projects as well. And if you like to see home decorating and seasonal decor, I post those sorts of videos as well. So if you are new to my channel and not yet a subscriber, why don't you consider subscribing? You can do so by clicking on the icon in the corner of this video or the subscribe button in the description box down below. And if you hit the little bell a couple of times, you will get notified every time I post a new video. I want to thank all of you for watching. My husband and I are really enjoying our 2 newly remodeled spaces, so I am really excited to be able to share those with you. I hope you're all having a wonderful day and you have a wonderful week. Take care, everyone. I look forward to seeing you next time. Bye-bye.